Did you know that ancient Chinese remedies can be more effective than over-the-counter medicines for cold and flu?
It is that time of the year again. When someone catches something, everyone in the house will get it. I recently caught the flu from a younger daughter, and this remedy really helped me, so I'd love to share it with you.
In a pot over high heat, pour the water inside and bring it to a boil. And we're gonna add the ginger. Ginger is something I always have in my kitchen. Other than using it for cooking, it is an awesome remedy for cold and flu.
Whenever you feel nauseous or dizzy, add it to hot water, wait for a few minutes, and drink it. You'll start feeling better in just a few minutes.
Then add the white radish. White radish boosts up your immunity. It kills germs and bacteria.
It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years.
Followed by the Asian pear, or replace it with other types of pear. Asian pear helps to clear your lung and throat.
Helps to reduce coughing.
Cover the pot with a lid and boil for about 20 minutes.
Other than this remedy, I also practice a meditation called 法轮大法. The principle is truthfulness, compassion, and tolerance. By becoming a better person, the physical well-being will also improve. If you're interested, please visit www.falundafa.org. I hope everyone stays strong, positive, and healthy. If you have any natural remedy that works for you, please comment below and share with us. I'll see you again soon. Bye!